Alright, so what are you looking at? Headlights for Toyota Yaris 2008. I'm going to replace the bulb with LED. So alright, so here's the LED bulb. I got one from online. Just make sure that you order the right one, because this is pretty much plug and play. So as you can see, the headlights has been removed because I was removing the door. So it's a lot easier for me to replace the bulb at this point, because I have to remove the headlights in order for me to remove the door. So you definitely can do this without removing the headlights, just to show you how it gets done. So here's a rubber boot here. All you have to do is just remove the rubber boot. Obviously you have to unplug the wire, right, from the car. So put that rubber boot that aside, and there's a clip here that you have to pinch and then out, right, and then you can remove the bulbs, right. So now same thing with the LED, but the LED you have to remove the adapter first, like so, because you cannot put it there. You cannot lock it with the bulb in it. So you have to remove it from the bulb and put the adapter there, and then you lock it. Yeah, make sure you lock it properly. It will not, so that it will not lose on you. So that's pretty much solid. So once you put the bracket in, you locked it, then you put the rubber boot. Alright, so put the lights back. You can see it's really bright. So I'm having trouble a while ago because of I was wondering why the light is so dim. And then now I figured it out, my battery is really low. So when I start the vehicle, then that's when I saw the light turns really bright.